Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And I saw these coasters by the IKEA, and I thought that would be very nice to create something with it. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and to like my video. And these coasters feel like a notice board, so I thought I might create something with that, a nice collage to put that on the wall. I hope the idea that I have will succeed because I don't want to use only pins, but I would like to use some rope that you can stick something between. So I wanted to have everything in green color because my room is green, and this is just a tryout for a nice creation. And I found some lovely green rope, so that's what I'm gonna use. I have no idea how much I need. I just roll something off, and I hope it will be enough. And I saw once, I think it was done by, oh look, this is already in it. That shouldn't be happening, of course, but okay. Well, then we put that on top. I saw something before with something of rubbers that you can put something between. So I thought, well, if it's possible with rubbers, maybe it's possible with rope as well. So I'm just tearing this around, and oh, now I have to put it through like this, and then make it together with some good knot. And I hope it will fit and that everything stick under it without any glue or pins or something like that. And officially, I think by law you need 3 hands to create a good knot like this. It's always very difficult only with 2 hands. Well, no, shake a little. No, it doesn't come off, so that works. And this is what something I created before. It's from an envelope. I will put the link in it if you want to create it for your own traveler's notebook or just an extra pocket in your bullet journal or something like that. But in this case, I'm going to put this over here as well. And what is more nice? A nice tag. Tags are always nice. And what do I have? Oh, this is a nice card. Give someone this is says give someone a compliment. And this is nice. All in with green. Yeah. Oh, it works. It works. That's nice. And I have some pins for things that can't be under the rope. So I have a lovely hanger. And what do I have more? Oh, this is something nice as well. Oh, and this is quite fun. I think it's very nice for to create a present for someone. You know, like a picture and between, and then some nice collage, and then someone can put that to the wall as well. Oh, that's very nice. And a little bow is always good. Oh, this is really fun. I think, yeah, this is a good idea for myself. And, oh, an extra tag. You can never have enough tags. And then, that's very nice. Yes, and then we put it on the wall. And don't forget to subscribe and to like my video. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.